everyone, welcome back to What Is. We are here to help you enrich your general knowledge and broaden your horizons by providing you with basic information on a variety of subjects. We hope that you'll learn something useful from this video. Have you ever been impressed by dishes, such as chicken curry, served at Indian restaurants? Have you wondered, why can't I replicate the taste when cooking a similar dish at home? What is missing? The answer could lie in the aromatic spice known as fenugreek. A pinch of this spice can transform a bland meal into a mouth-watering dish that will have your family or guests begging for seconds. Its seeds and leaves are common ingredients in dishes from the Indian subcontinent and have been used as a culinary ingredient since ancient times. Fenugreek is also used in traditional medicine. It can reduce the risk of diabetes, blood pressure conditions and many more. So, what is fenugreek? How is it used as a spice? What are the main health benefits? Stay with us and learn about this multi-talented herb. We will introduce the plant and talk about its use as a spice. We will cover the major health benefits of fenugreek. Also, we are going to debunk some of the myths surrounding this herb. And we will show you how to prepare the tea and how to consume it to achieve the best results possible. If you like this topic and want to learn more, please take your time to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell for notifications to get notified when we upload new content. Give us a thumbs up and like our video. Feel free to share it with your friends and leave us a comment. Without further delay, let's get started. Fenugreek is an annual plant that is around 2 to 3 feet or 60 to 90 centimeters tall. It has green leaves consisting of 3 small obovate to oblong leaflets, small white flowers, and pods that contain small, square-shaped, golden brown seeds. The seeds and the leaves are both edible, and are common ingredients in many spice blends and dishes from the Indian subcontinent. It is cultivated worldwide and has been used as a culinary ingredient since ancient times. Fenugreek is also used in traditional medicine. We will address its health benefits later in this video. Furthermore, it can also be found in numerous products, such as soap and shampoo. Fenugreek is native to Asia and the Mediterranean. It belongs to the Fabaceae family of plants. Fenugreek's scientific name is Trigonella phenum graecum. There are several common names, such as bird's foot, chandrika, fenugreco, Greek clover, Greek hay or Greek hayseed. If you know another name for the fenugreek, please add it to the comments below. We have already mentioned that fenugreek seeds and leaves are used in an array of culinary dishes. It is used as both a herb and spice in Indian, North African and Middle Eastern cuisine. Fresh and dried fenugreek leaves can be used to finish dishes like sauces, curries, vegetable dishes, and soups. Fenugreek seeds can be used whole or ground. It is often found and used in spice blends such as garam masala or dry rubs for meat. It can be incredibly bitter when eaten raw. However, when combined with other spices, it transforms and gives a sweetness and depth of flavor to saucy dishes. Then it has a sweet, nutty flavor that is reminiscent of maple syrup or burnt sugar. When using fenugreek seeds, whole or lightly crushed, first, pan roast them over medium heat. This will help to reduce their bitter taste. Then fuse with other strong spices such as coriander, cumin, and paprika. To counterbalance any bitterness, a squeeze of lemon juice can be added at the end of cooking. Let us look at some of the key medical benefits that fenugreek has to offer. Fenugreek may help regulate and improve blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of developing heart conditions and improve overall heart health. Fenugreek can help to lower cholesterol. This may be because fenugreek seeds contain roughly 48% dietary fibre. Dietary fibre is very hard to digest, and it forms a viscous gel in the intestines that makes it harder to digest sugars and fats. Fenugreek appears to slow the absorption of sugars in the stomach and stimulate insulin. Both of these effects lower blood sugar in people with diabetes. Quite a few studies have shown that at least 4 compounds in fenugreek have antidiabetic properties. They primarily reduce intestinal glucose absorption, delay gastric emptying, improve insulin sensitivity and reduce concentrations of lipid-binding protein. Fenugreek may help stimulate breast milk production and ease the flow. Breast milk is the best source of nutrition for your baby's development. However, some mothers may struggle to produce sufficient amounts. While prescription drugs are commonly used to boost breast milk production, research suggests as well as traditional herbalists that fenugreek may be a safe, natural alternative. One of the most common reasons men use fenugreek supplements is to boost testosterone. As well as raising testosterone levels, it may also boost sperm count. Furthermore, it consistently improves mental alertness, mood, and libido. Fenugreek may suppress the appetite and increase the feeling of fullness, which could help reduce overeating and in the long term help with weight loss. Those who drink fenugreek tea report feeling less hungry and more full. Fenugreek extract powders can also be used, because the fibre content may also drive the feeling of fullness. Let us expose some of the myths surrounding this herb. Fenugreek supplements may boost testosterone but do not expect them to make you super strong or increase your stamina during exercise. It may help milk production when breastfeeding, but it will not make your boobs bigger. We can say that this herb is packed with many health benefits, however, it cannot cure baldness. Fenugreek has long been used for pain relief in traditional systems of medicine. Researchers think that compounds in the herb could help block sensory receptors that allow the brain to perceive pain. So far, there is no sufficient evidence to support the theory. Fenugreek is an ingredient in many supplements. Since formulations differ, the recommended dose depends on the supplement. Always follow the dosage instructions on the label. If unsure, consult your healthcare provider. Supplements should generally be taken before or with a meal. Since this herb aids blood sugar control, it may be best to take it with your highest carb meal of the day. The simplest way to consume fenugreek for health benefits is by making fenugreek tea. You can make your tea by combining 1 cup of boiled water with 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, whole or lightly crushed. Let it steep for at least 3 minutes before straining and drinking the tea. The longer it steeps, the more potent the tea will be. However, we recommend that you do not go over 5 minutes. The tea can also be sweetened with honey or stevia. Drink the tea hot or cold. So, how much fenugreek tea should I drink? A cup of tea per day should do. The ideal dosage of the tea has not been fully established. However, excess consumption of fenugreek tea may cause adverse effects in some individuals. Fenugreek is generally considered safe for most people when taken in small doses by mouth. This herbal remedy is typically not recommended for use by pregnant women as it can induce labor. Some people may have an allergic reaction to fenugreek, although this is extremely rare. Other common unwanted effects of fenugreek include diarrhea or upset stomach, dizziness and headaches. It can lead to urine, sweat, or breast milk taking on a maple-like odor. Fenugreek can also act similarly to estrogen in the body, so it may negatively impact people with hormone-sensitive cancers. This information does not endorse or sell any products. This is only a summary of general information about fenugreek and its use as a spice and its potential medical benefits. It does not include all information about the possible uses, directions, warnings, precautions, interactions, adverse effects, or risks that may. This information is not specific medical advice and does not replace information you receive from your healthcare provider. You should talk with your healthcare provider for complete information about the risks and benefits of using fenugreek. Always consult your healthcare provider to ensure the information presented in this video applies to your circumstances. Thank you for watching. We hope that you found this video useful. If you like to see more videos like this one, please take your time to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notifications to get notified when we upload new content. Give us a thumbs up and like our video. Feel free to share it with your friends and leave us a comment. We will be back soon with more, informative and educational videos.